Welcome back to the most greatest show ever, What's Wrestling? And I'm your host, Tyson Storm, always, except for the Mondays, because the special guest will be doing a reviews or something on Mondays, and I'll be doing the rest of the week. I don't have a schedule yet, but today we'll be doing a unboxing off of eBay. So yeah, and I have another one, but this is what I got for eBay. It was brand new, but I really didn't want to open it because it's just too short. So I see nothing in there. And so yeah, I took a nab at it so it'll be easier to cut. What side? I'm not professional at this. My tripod broke. So yeah, I don't want to cut anything else. Forget it. I'll do what Lamar Wilson does. I'll let y'all see the first look at it. I don't know what this is. I'll read two things. It's number one. So it's Triple H and Seth Rollins. So that's them. And I'll be doing a review of these two. Not together, but. So I'm not going to open it now because I'm going to do a review with Seth Rollins and Triple H. So, yeah. I'll be doing a review on Friday. Hopefully. I don't really want to open it. I don't want to spoil it, y'all. So, yeah. I've been your host, Tyson Storm, and I am out.